I'll have the tuna.
No crust?
No crust.
What is up, gamers? Welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'm just gonna go over what happened to my old workout app and what I've been working on recently. So the front end is still up and running, but I had to shut down the back end because Heroku was charging me like $10 a month in hosting fees. So now I'm trying to move it over to the T3 stack and add some more functionality to it. The best way for me to learn something is to create something new. So I'm working on something I'm calling Echo. It's just a place to share links and posts. Today we're just going to walk through the sign-in flow, create a new space to share the links, and then share a link. So we can sign in with GitHub. We can also sign in with email and username and password. So once you've signed in, you get access to the create post page. That's a bug. I need to make sure that button doesn't show up. So we can create a post. When you create a post from the main page, this doesn't get filled in. But if you go to a specific, I'm calling them Echo List or Echo Space, whatever, you can, if you create a post from that page, you get linked out, and I am adding the name into the string, so it automatically gets added here. If that's not where you want to post, you can just clear and then type something else in. So today we're just going to share something in learning. It's my last video about finite state machines, so you can just copy that. And I'm fetching the URL metadata when you click away, so it should automatically fill in the title and descriptions if the metadata returns anything of value. Some URLs don't return anything to prevent scraping and stuff like that, so just be aware of that. I'll show another example of a URL that doesn't, so you have to copy and paste the titles themselves. So when you submit it, so it'll automatically grab the URL, the image URL from the link if they populate it through the header tags. So once you post it, it'll automatically take you to the post itself. You can post comments here. And then you can see them appear down there. If it's your own message, you can delete it. You can also reply to messages. And if you click the picture, it takes you directly to the link. It's also, you can also delete it down here. So that's how you create a post. Let's walk through how to create a Echo Space. So here, you can call it what you want. I need to fix that as well. I would want a rich text editor here for when I create the description. So let's just create a Echo Space for MMA. Posting links about MMA or discussions about MMA, stuff like that. That probably needs to be updated too. So it appears at the bottom of the list there. So if we want to search it, there it is. And now we are greeted with this kind of blank page. So if no posts on page. So let's get this link right here of the knockout last night of UFC 229. So let's see if I don't think it'll grab the information from there. So that we're just gonna have to get the title and type the title in yourself. If you want to add any more details here, if you want to see a preview, you can do that. And yeah, that's how you post a link. Post comments. And if you want to manage your user, this is all handled through ClerkAuth, so I don't need to handle any of this. Let's sign out. And let's sign in with username and password. So I already have an account here. And now, since it's not my post from this account, I can't delete it or edit it. Post the comment. If you want to fold down comments, you can click the little minus plus button over there. And clicking on it will take you to the link. So I have a bunch of open issues that I've been working on, and a bunch of closed issues that I've done. So we're just going to take the issues that I found during the demo and create new issues in GitHub for me to work on. So let's just walk through that. So the notes, don't show create button, add rich text editor, no post on a page, prompt a user, fix formatting for longer titles. So we can probably combine a couple of these because they're kind of small issues. Assign it to myself, add a label to bug, and kind of an enhancement as well. Projects added to the Echo project. And then we have an issue. So we can keep track of stuff that we want to fix. This is just a tool within GitHub. You could use almost anything, Post-it notes if you want, or a notebook, or Jira, or ClickUp, I think is another one. There are plenty of options. This is integrated directly within GitHub, so I can create branches without any issues. So let's do add rich text editor to Echo Space. I think that's all we need.